Welcome to Smart Electrical Design. Today's topic is important factors to check while purchasing Geyser. When purchasing a Geyser, there are several factors you should consider to ensure that you choose the right one for your needs. Here are some important factors to check. 1. Capacity. Determine the capacity of the Geyser based on your hot water requirements. Consider factors such as the number of people in your household, simultaneous hot water usage, and the average daily hot water usage. A larger capacity geyser is suitable for households with higher hot water demands. 2. Energy efficiency. Look for energy-efficient models that can help reduce your energy consumption and save on electricity or gas bills. Check for energy efficiency ratings, such as the Energy Star label, and choose a geyser with higher energy efficiency. 3. Heating method. Decide whether you prefer an electric geyser or a gas geyser. Electric geysers are more common and suitable for most households, while gas geysers may be preferred for areas with limited electricity availability or for those seeking faster heating. 4. Installation requirements. Consider the installation requirements for the geyser. Electric geysers require a power supply and proper wiring, while gas geysers need a gas connection and proper ventilation. Ensure that your home meets the necessary installation requirements for the type of geyser you choose. 5. Safety features. Check for safety features such as a temperature and pressure relief valve, overheating protection, and insulation to prevent accidents and ensure safe operation. Look for geyser models that comply with safety standards and regulations. 6. Brand reputation and warranty. Research and choose a reputable brand known for quality and reliability. Check customer reviews and ratings for insights into the performance and durability of different geyser models. Additionally, consider the warranty offered by the manufacturer, as it can provide you with peace of mind in case of any issues. 7. Maintenance and after-sales service. Consider the ease of maintenance and availability of after-sales service for the geyser. Look for models with easily replaceable parts and a reliable service network to ensure smooth functioning and quick assistance if needed. 8. Budget. Set a budget range for your geyser purchase. Compare prices and features of different models within your budget to find the best value for money. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision while purchasing a geyser that meets your hot water requirements, energy efficiency goals, safety needs, and budget. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.